See you again with the next episode. Today I got the best app that I would like to share to all of you. It is an app that does similar thing to Lidar sensor on the iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max, where you can scan an object and turn it into 3D. But this one, it is quite similar as well. With Lidar sensor, you can scan an object and turn it into a 3D model. But with this one, it does not scan into a 3D model, but at least it scans an object and give you a good cutout. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's say I want to scan this iPhone and completely remove the background. I can just place it in front of my iPhone, and I can just hit on the screen and make sure it is steady. Now you can see it is completely scanned the phone without the background. If you hit on save, now allow access to all photo. Let me go back and go into my photo app. Now you can see it is clearly scanned my iPhone SE without the background. So this photo is without the background. The background is transparent, and you can see it gives the clear detail on the object that you are scan. This one, it works including the touch as well. You can scan the touch on anything. So to switch to touch, just select on this one. Now I'm gonna place my iPhone with the touch here. Just simply hit on it, and it will extract the touch on the screen that it is being captured. Now it extracts the touch from my iPhone SE screen, so you can see here. On the top, you can also select the language that you want to scan. In my case, it is English. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.